In this video, we're going to show you how to look up property tax records and download property tax bills for homes in Broward County here in South Florida. I'm Nick at Houseit. We can save you money on your next purchase, sale, or rental. Learn how by visiting houseit.com. That's Houseit with an A. So let's get started. How do we look up the property tax records, payment history, and bills and so forth for homes in Broward County? We're going to go through an actual example. We've randomly selected an address, which is currently on the market, 8140 NW 66 Terrace in Tamarac, Florida. So the first thing you're going to do is either to go to the Broward County Property Appraiser website. The URL is up here. It's also below in the description. Or you can go directly to the Broward County, Florida Records, Taxes, and Treasury website. The URL is up here, and it's also in the description. If you're going to go the route of the property appraiser, the easiest way to find it is literally just to Google Broward County Appraiser, and it should be that first result. Now, once you're on this page, go ahead and click on Property Search, and here you will actually type in the address. So let's go ahead and copy the street address. We will paste that in. So it reloads it there, but don't worry, we are on the right page still. So we've typed it in, it's basically found it already. So go ahead and click on that, click search, and here it's gonna show you the parcel results. So it's gonna give you the parcel ID or property ID and a lot of other pertinent information about the home. You can even find out the owner's names, the mailing address for the owners in case they don't actually live there. And there's a whole bunch of other information about the property too. Things like year built, square footage, and other sorts of information as well, like a summary of sales history and also recent sales in that subdivision. So there's a lot of information. Believe it or not, there's even school information as well as political representation details towards the bottom. But for our purposes, we're looking specifically for tax information. So at the top, go ahead and look for the icon that says tax and click that. And once you do that, it's going to actually take you to the Broward County, Florida Records, Taxes, and Treasury result for this specific page. So once we're here, we can already see that the account is paid in full, and we see the account history, payment history, as well as accessible PDFs for each of the annual bills going back several years. Now, if you're going to search via the actual Broward County, Florida Records, Taxes, and Treasury site, it's basically going to take you to the same end result, which is this page here for the particular property. So if you go this route, you basically just click on property tax, and here you would go ahead and type in the address like we did before, click search, and if you don't find it, try to play around with it a little bit. Sometimes it's a bit finicky. Let's go ahead and keep trying. 8140, so maybe that's not enough information. So let's try NW66, and it still doesn't look like we can find it. So if you just keep playing around with it, you will eventually, hopefully, find that same result. So go ahead and click on this here, which is actually the name of the owner. And as you can see, it will take us to the exact same page that we found by way of going through the property appraiser website. So again, once you're here, no matter which method you use, you can click on the PDF link to actually download the most recent statement in this particular case. So you can see here, for example, that the combined annual taxes are $29.22. And even if you want to actually make a payment, it will even give you a pay stub here if you want to mail a check. So we hope you found this video to be helpful. Friendly reminder, if you are looking to buy, sell, or rent here in New York City, where we also operate South Florida, Long Island, and the Hudson Valley, we can save you money here at Houseit. Visit our website, houseit.com, to learn how. Link below in the description, or you can send us an email to team@houseit.com. That's team@houseit with an A.com. I'm Nick at Houseit, and we hope to see you on the next video.